All right, so here we are. We're in Central Florida right now, and it's a cold day out here. It's like 65 degrees out. It's about 6 o'clock at night. So one of the cool things I wanted to show you guys is a little different maybe here in the States, is that we have something called cruise nights, where a local shop or restaurant or something like that allows cars to park up, and it's pretty low key. They got some tunes playing, and they got a ton of old cars. So these are primarily old American muscle cars. Chilly, 65 degrees. It's really cool. I mean, everybody here is all into cars, and you know, you got a big mix of different you know, classics and customs and things like that. And generally, everybody is wicked cool. So we're gonna get a chance to check out some American muscle and finally answer that question you guys have been asking. What is American car culture like? Like I said, all across the nation, you've got car meets and things like this, cruise nights, where you can come out, meet with some old timers, and see what tuning was like when they were young, and what they think of it today. So let's go meet some people and check out some cars. The thing I really like about cruise nights is everybody comes out and they might have a brand new Ford Mustang or brand new Corvette like we just saw, but this is probably one of the only places they come out and nobody's checking out their car, because you got things like this SS Camaro with a 454 in it. Alright, so we just finished up with the second car show. Last week we kind of got cut short. It was pretty cold out. So obviously the coolest thing about car shows here in the States is that 9.5 times out of 10 you can walk up to anybody and just start chatting it up with them, ask about their modifications. And some of these guys have been coming to car shows for 40-50 years. So as you saw, some of those guys are more than happy to spend some time talking to us, which is fantastic. But the coolest thing that I like about car shows is you see like generations, right? So, you know, these old timers, I mean, they're rolling around with 427s. The guy's got a factory 5 Cobra over there. Says that he can light them up at 80 just because he's got so much power. And these guys have done it, right? We think we got some high horsepower cars of our own, but some of these old muscle cars are cranking out some serious power. So, you know, go to meet up with people, ask tons of questions, see, you know, you might know that you're a domestic guy or an import guy, but coming out to car shows like this will definitely give you a chance to see a whole host of cars. And like I said, the cool thing here is that it's generational. So we had a Chevelle, and I think it was like a STI right next to it, and the guys were just chatting it up. So like I said, if you guys haven't done so, check out locally, see what you guys have going on for cruise nights and things like that. Head on out there, meet some of these guys, ask questions, and I guarantee you're gonna see some pretty sweet rides. We saw that one, what was that, an Oldsmobile, you know, $150,000 car, full restoration, custom work. Dude, it's awesome. Get out there, check it out. See you guys next time.